Okay, so here's a quick look at how to use a Bosch Excell 1200 Express washing machine. This is an older one. We're renting somewhere and we've got a washing machine outdoors actually. So first of all, power's on. Literally, if you turn it on, you're going to see your cycle come on immediately as soon as you turn that dial. Now I can just press start to obviously start, toggle through the temperatures. That's I think a 20-degree wash there. And some of them go up to 90, okay, so that's going to be too hot for most things, but usually you just want to go with whatever it starts off at. And if I turn down to, let's say, Cotton Stains Plus, the presets are pretty damn good, you know, it's pretty much what you want. Now, if I come over to, let's say, the super quick, it's only 30 minutes, but you got to check the weight limit. It's probably going to be anywhere from 2 to 4 kilos of weight on these. These shorter cycles are generally much lighter, as are anything like, I've got a wool down here. I would say don't go above 2 kilos on the wool cycle. Anything like that. But generally, once you do that, you press the start, it's going to go. Oops, I didn't want to do that, so I'll turn that off. Let me just reset it by turning off, back on. Now if I press the ready in, that means the end time is 2 hours from now. So you could see, again, let me turn it off, back on. 1 hour 35, if I do ready, 2 hours. Come on. Okay, so I just had to turn it off and on, off of the wall and back on again. I don't know why, but now the time is working. You can see you can set that anywhere up to probably 24 hours if I keep tapping. Which is quite a long way in advance, really, isn't it? And there you go. You just got to go through it all. And you can set your spin speed down here, right down to just no spin. Okay, so generally you're just going to want what comes. You can put the pre-wash on, and if you do that, then you're going to want to put it in here. Generally, yeah, if you can see, the 2 mark is your standard detergent, the 1 mark is the pre-wash, and this would be a fabric softener or something similar. Let's toggle that on and off. Reduce dyeing, it's just to reduce spin speed. Aqua Plus just adds more water to your cycle. Wash Plus is going to be more intensive. So if you want, so you've got the soiled goods, that'll do that, but it does add, as you can see, an hour. And then you can just press start, and it'll go. Hope you found that useful. See you soon for more. Check out this video for more. See you soon.